Hi, it's me. Today I'm going to show you how to make this money flower using 3 $1 bills, some thread, and a pair of scissors to cut the thread, not the money. First, we're going to take the dollar bill and fold it in half. And all the time that we press it, we're going to press that crease down really well so it's nice and sharp. Next, we're going to take this and we're going to fold it towards the center using that center crease as a guideline. So fold it down and press. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. And we press that crease down really well so the dollar bill isn't bulky. Next, we're going to fold it in half like this. And now we're going to have a nice sharp crease in the middle that we can use as a guideline for this step. We're going to make a little triangle and fold that corner down to that center line. So press it, press it, press it. And then we're going to fold this one to that center line as well. So now we have a little triangle thingy. We're going to repeat the process on the other side of the dollar bill, just as shown on the screen. Press, press, press. Press, press, press. And now we have this thing that kind of looks like a spaceship. On the ends that are flat, fold that up towards the center. And the bill feels a little bit thicker here, so do the best you can to press that crease down. Lastly, we're going to fold it in half. And now we have this little guy right here. It's called like one module. Press that crease down harder if you want using the back of some scissors. So we're going to need 2 more. 1, 2, so now we have 3. Next, we're going to take these and we're going to stack them on top of each other. I'm lining it up so that the one is facing the same direction. The words are facing the same way. Next, we're going to take our string and we're going to wrap it around the center and we're going to tie a couple of knots to hold it secure. So once that's done, you cut off the string. Next, we're going to make the petals. Start by pulling the petals apart from the center so it looks something like a star. Next, we're going to take one petal, we're going to open it up, and then we're going to push that bottom piece up and then bend the tip backwards to form a petal. See, it looks like it's kind of a curved petal. We're going to repeat that process all the way around. Once again, open up the petal, push that back up, and then bend the tip backwards. So when you see me going around it, I'm repeating the same process all the way around. I'm not overthinking it. I'm just pushing it up and bending the tip back. And ta-da! We have a pretty little flower. And it looks really cool. It was really easy to make, but it's really pretty. And if you only have 2 $1 bills or a $5 bill, it looks like that. When you have a lot, it looks really, really cool. Hope you enjoyed this video.